Hello fellow rebels and welcome back to the channel, and on today's video we are off to Rosslare Europort. One of my favourite films is Trains, Planes and Automobiles, and why is there always a truck passing when I go to have a chat? Yeah, one of my favourite films is Train, Planes and Automobiles, but I love all kinds of transport, obviously bikes and boats as well. So this is a video, it's not to do with road adventures or anything like that. It's just me going up to a place that I really want to see on the bike and bringing you along with me. Also, oh yes, so I looked into my full license, or my permanent learner's permit. I got an email yesterday. Oh my god, you couldn't time it. Yeah, anyway, so rude. But yeah, so I got the email and I have to do my bike test, or at least I have to apply for it. So I'll show you a screenshot if I get a bit of time to get the screenshot. But yeah, I have to apply for it before May, or I won't get my third learner's permit. So look, it's pushed me on to do something I wanted to do this year anyway, and now I'm just going to have to get to it. So it takes about an hour to get through for the driving license. There's a waiting queue online. I waited yesterday for an hour, got through just to check it out. So it's €85, and then they give you a time slot, I think, or something like that. But yeah, I'm going to apply for that now in the next month or so and get that going as well. And I have to get my friend's bike because Bonnie is coming in at 49 kilowatts, but it has to be at least 50, so it's one under, so that's a sickener. But my friend has a Kawasaki 750R, I think, so he's going to give me that for the test, and I can just transfer my insurance over, which is a pain, but look, has to be done. And I'll get a pre-test as well, and I'll bring you along with me on the pre-test as well. But for now, we're going to go to Rosslare. I'm just stopped in Bonneville, and we're going to head down, and hopefully it doesn't rain. Hopefully the rain keeps away. I have my wet gear anyway. So yeah, let's get back on Bonnie, all fueled up, and heading off to Rosslare Europort. So let's go. So we're here at Rosslare, just parked up. I'm going to see how far we can go. Maybe you can go into the terminal and maybe get a bit of lunch in there. Maybe get a bit of lunch in there or something. I don't know the layout of it or anything like that, so we'll have a look. Doesn't seem to be restricted in any kind of way, so let's pop over and have a look. Okay, so let's go in here and have a look. Okay. It's not here anyway. Yeah, it's not much going on here, really. So as you can see inside, not much going on. There mustn't be a sailing yet today, so you can't get access to it. I'm going to try walk over there on the pier, see can I get closer to that big ship. It's not a waste of time coming down here, because I just wanted to come down and see what it's like anyway. And yeah, it's just cool to see big ships and stuff like that, and nice being down the road. And we'll stop in for some tea somewhere as well. We might stop in Rosslare town and get some tea. But for now, let's see how close we can get over to the boat over there as well. And yeah, nice being down the road anyway. So we couldn't go the HGV section because there's a security gate there, security box. So I decided, nah, there's no point. So we're going to go into the dock here, bar and eatery, and let's get something to eat and check out what it's like inside. How you doing? And there's something for a bit of food?
Yeah,
lunch?
Food.
Yeah?
Yeah, no problem there. Just there doing Friday.
Yeah, no problem. Thank you. Handy. Absolutely delicious. Food is unreal. $17.50 for that, and the amount of fries, salad, and the burger are just unreal. The dock, boutique restaurant and bar and eatery just outside Rosslare Europort, as you've seen on the video as well. So it's absolutely delicious. It'll take a while to digest this, and then you're going to head down the road, and then yeah, onwards and on home. I hope you enjoyed the video. I really enjoyed it. Really great day out with the weather and stuff like that. So don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and until the next time, Deise Rebel out.